Hey there, Robert. Here's your machine before. Notice that when it turns on, it ramps up the pump. And then it stops at the 5-second mark, 6-second mark. So when it ramps up the pressure, it just means that the machine isn't recognizing any flow. So it's increasing the pressure to the max to see why it's blocked or something. And then it stops because it doesn't detect any water flow. Did you hear that? Classic for a flow meter malfunction. Same for the steam. See, it ramps up and it beeps. And I bet it's the same with the steam. There we go. I will pause the video, fix the issue, and then I'll get back. Okay, Robert, so this is the after. I've just finished cleaning the flow meter connection. I've also done a basic service, which is check all 4 seals on. So there's 2 on the boiler, 2 on the pump. 2 on the solenoid valve. Had a look. Everything looks good. I've added some silicone grease to prolong the life of the seals. And now, testing the machine after. The volume doesn't change at the 2-second mark. And it's definitely going over that 6-second mark before. It was only at the 6-second mark before it stops. Easily going to the 10-second mark, and then test the double button. It should go to 15-second mark on the double button. Lovely. And then testing the hot water tap. It's all good. Doesn't change volume after 2 seconds. Again. And steam should be working fine as well. All working like new. Of course, as a part of the service, I do the cleaning cycle in D-Scale program. A bit of dirt on the group head, so definitely will need a clean. Before that, I'll just test the pressure to show you on video that there's no internal leaks. So that's going to be, with that cleaning this, blocking all the flow and checking the machine for any leaks. It's all looking good to me. Bone dry on the inside, very dry, and it's a good purge. So when it turns off the shot, it's a good psh noise into the tray. That means the valve is working as intended. I usually do that a few times to make sure there's no internal leaks. And I also do the same for the steam side. It is a bit difficult to do with one hand recording and one hand blocking the flow of the steam, but I'll give it a try. So blocking this flow and then waiting for any internal leaks, and I see nothing. Very, very strong steam. I'm quite happy with that. All working like new.